All right, here it is, guys. This is 2016 Panini Black Gold College Football. It's going to be 2-box break, serial number style. 2BBGCFB102. Let's go. All right, Chad down to Kevin L. Let's copy and paste it in. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Roll is 10 names and numbers, 7 times each. All right, there's 1. Here comes 2, 3. Razzle Dazzle 4. There's 5. Here comes 6 and 7. All right, Chad R down to Kevin L. All right, let's do numbers next. 0 through 9. All right, guys, 0 through 8. There we go. All right, guys, you want to pay attention to the number after the period, obviously. That's just a random order. All right, here we go. We had 8. Number 8 killed the first 2-boxer we did the other night, man. It was crazy. Bunch of 8s. All right, here we go, gents. Let's see what this one looks like. Absolutely love this stuff, by the way. I absolutely love this stuff. All right, let's see what this one looks like, guys. First one up is Von Treadwell. Okay, that's a 0, yep. 50 of 99, guys. Treadwell, rated rookie. Let's see, that's 0. That is Chad coming out to you. Chad R. Nice one. Next one up is Christian Hackenberg, 11 of 99. Also for Chad, number 1. Christian Hackenberg, gold auto. It's coming out to you. It's the Zeke. Massive Materials, 167 of 199. And that's the number 7. Ken H, that's coming out to you. Ken H. Nice Zeke. Next one here, Hunter Henry, 40 of 49. 0, that is Chad R coming to you. And we got a Derek Carr, 39 of 49. Number 9, that is Kevin L coming to you. Kevin L. Bo knows, 74-75. Number 4, that is Gerald D coming to you. Gerald D. Next one up, 16 of 25. Check that out. Connor Shaw, Jadeveon Clowney, Mike Davis, and Pharaoh Cooper. Number 6, that is Gerald D. Coming at you, Gerald D. Uh-oh, here we go. 23 of 49. There you go, man. There's a Zeke for you. Massive Materials. Number 3, JK. Coming at you. Nice Zeke. Good one here. Sterling Shepard, 44 of 99. Excellent. I'm telling you, man, they got Marshall now, too. This guy's going to have a beast season. And let's see, number 4, Gerald D. That's coming out to you, Gerald D. Sterling Shepard. We've got a Treadwell, 34 of 99. I know, man, I know. Me too. Ole Miss. Number 4, that is Gerald D. It's a great set, by the way. Did a good job on this one. Next one up, Joe Namath, 13 of 25. There we go. JK, that's coming to you. Nice Namath, 225. Let's see right here. 15 of 99. Corey Coleman. Number 5, Kevin L. That's you. And we got a 17 of 25. Nelson Spruce. Nice patch. Number 7, that's Ken H. Coming out to you. Ken H. Kenneth Dixon right here. 13 of 99. There you go, buddy. JK. Nice Dixon Gold Ink, Louisiana Tech. 13 of 99. And then we got a, Carson Wentz. Nice. 61 of 99 gold rated rookie. And that's number 1, Chad R. Coming out to you. Chad R. Nice Wentz. All right, last one, guys. There's a JJ. 58 of 75. Number 8, Kevin L. That's coming to you. Joey Bosa, 182 of 199. Number 2. And that is Chad. Coming out to you, Chad R. Aaron Burbridge, 90 of 99. That is 0, Chad. Nice one. Chad R. We go. Kenneth Dixon, 76 of 99. Number 6, that is Gerald D. Coming to you. And our last one here is a Zeke. 30 of 199. There you go, Chad. That'll pop back in there, by the way. All of them do that. 30 of 199. Nice hit, Chad. There's a Zeke gold logo. God, I love that. It's such a good break it by number. Everybody hit, by the way, too. Everybody. Nobody got no hits in that break. That's why I love doing those. All right, good stuff, guys. That is Black Gold Collegiates. And that was 2-box break number 102. Thanks for joining.